for a smooth flow. Step 6. Adjust the duration. Ensure that the total duration of your video is 1 minute. You can adjust the length of the individual clips in your timeline. Step 7. Add music or voiceover. Music, add background music from Canva library or upload your own. Voiceover. Record a voice directly in the app if needed. Step 8. Preview and finalize. Watch your video to see how it looks and make any necessary adjustments. Continue editing until you are satisfied with the final product. Step 9. Save and export. Save your project within the app. That's saving, or export. When you're ready to export your video, choose the quality and format that suits your needs. Step 10. Share or download. You can share your video directly to social media platforms through the app, or alternatively, download the video to your device for later use or to upload it to different platforms. Remember, creativity is key with Canva, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles, layouts, and elements to make your video unique and engaging. The app is quite intuitive. So even if you're new to video editing, you should find the process enjoyable and easy to learn.